Wasal iż-żmien tal-nilagħbu chapter 4. Wasal iż-żmien li nilagħbu ta' chapter 4 wara kemm għandna hours għandna 14-il siegħa. 14 hours għandna fuqha. Thank you Stilla. Thank you ħafna donut.
Do it now.
Do it now. Do it now xiex. Chapter 4, qed nibdew chapter 4. Nibdew chapter 4. Nibdew chapter 4 ejja.
Do it.
Okay.
Don't forget the oil.
Samma nġib ta' żabbuġa.
Oil up, boy.
Look at all the colors. So many doors and one. Triple time the friend and triple time the fun.
We want that oily good stuff.
Call the number on screen and order your Joey today. Order now while supplies last. Shipping and handling costs may vary. Do not ingest or deliver any products in the video box.
What's the time? This one! I don't open this one! I knew it! This is the one I wanted!
There's a card too, dear. Open the card.
We're going to the Playtime factory?
That's right, honey.
Yes!
Don't wander off. Stay right here with us. He's not listening to a thing I say, is he?
Not even a little bit.
Sure, well. Waqaġu dak il-container.
Somebody shut off that camera.
I am number one Stilla.
Oh, lix tiġġieldu da. Stilla u wieħed mill-OGs ukoll li ilu follower mill-bidu.
No! Hold on, Kissy! I'm coming! Listen, go on ahead. Don't wait for me. I won't leave Kissy behind, and I won't sacrifice our plan. Not because of me. Just be careful. Down here, it's not like anything you've seen above. It's not trying to hide what it is. It's hell. And Playtime wanted it to be. But we have allies down here. Get to them.
Right, so basically l-oħra spiċċat bina niżlin ġo dak il-lift. Issa
There's still time to save the orphans.
Thank you, Stella. Għax għala dik follow the red smoke, x'masna x'kienet għaddejt. It's a battery, alright, għadna għalla bil... controls, vogliamo facciamo la salita. Their cruel kingdom. For those involved, dawn mhux se noqgħod naqrah kollu. Jrid jagħmel pause fuq YouTube u joqgħod jaqrah bil-kwiet. Nisma' ħafna ħsejjes u ma nixtieqx inkun naf minn fejn huma ġejjin. Għażu xi ħadd wellu l-ikel. Showing Niagara Falls. Chadwick Lakes. Catnip. Checkpoint 1A. Always from the goal mem yaw. Approach the gap to squeeze through. Purple tape. Dark areas use flares to light your path forward. Rope, oil and other resources can be burnt on contact. Shoot at the wrong thing. Boom boom. The results can be deadly. Thank you, as usual. Soltu l-barrieri tal-videos dejjem ikunu on point. Sew. Verament kemm magħluq biex jagħti daw find the entrance to the prison. Interessanti. being chosen, the other kids talk about it a lot. I still don't know what that's about exactly. If it means being adopted, I'm not sure I even want it. What's important to me, figuring out if I even want to be adopted. Trying to feel what the other kids seem to feel day in and day out. Why? If I was happy like them and could feel it, maybe... Okay, alright. Bro, kuna ċans għadna nibda. Flare current charges. Tafawna flashbang. Jgħamlilkom titilqodem. Għalix titħodem. L-għalqulek il-bib mussini għalli memxej għalik għamġew. Telefon, pensejtu.
Hey, it's me again, Ollie. I wanted to talk to you. Before you go inside, I mean. Everything you've seen out here, the piles, the dead, they all came from inside. Believe me, everything Poppy said about this place is true. It's hell. But she also hasn't seen it like I have. It's worse now. Worse than ever. Just try to stay safe. Please. Don't let your guard down for even a second. I'll try to help you when I can.
Mux jahbad. Dik SMS-ej. Skajja.
Hey, Cole.
Hey, Norm.
2 o'clock, huh? Best time of the day.
Yeah.
So, what block are you again?
North.
Can't say I hear much about that one.
You wouldn't.
High security?
Highest security.
Cushy. No, we get in the east. Toys banging on the walls, crying for their parents, their counselors, whatever. It goes all day and night, and it just wears on you, you know? I'd kill for a little security. And quiet.
Right. Right. Know what we get in the north? Things. Whatever they aren't people anymore. Their cells might as well be cages. They are animals. Sick. Twisted. Just instincts and anger. That's all that's left of them.
Sure, but At least then it's not like yelling at your
I
own
like it
kids
a
for
lot.
them to be quiet, though, you know? I mean, if you had to listen to them... Oh, great.
So much for our 2 o'clock.
Yeah, we really do have it rough, don't we?
Huma they have it rough. Mela vittma tal-esperimenti x'għandu mela miskin. Għaxin kien law rajt plakku. Dawar ferrovija ċet jew le. Kissa da nistenni biex. Safej sejri.
Now what's this? Do I feel something squirming its way beneath my skin? An invasive foreign little germ. After all this time? Ah, but I see. You. Well, little germ, let's make a game of you. You've blundered along the shadows above, and only managed to squirm all the way down here, but by the barest skin of your teeth. There are no shadows here that will be of use to you. Not even the ground beneath your feet is yours. There are no places you can hide. Not from me.
Escape the prison. X'in nagħmel imma Għaret minn hemmhekk x'għamel interessanti. Hello. Ciao. Fight with joy. Oh, sta nżura dan il-glory hole. Ija. Xin nisma' għawajt. Fejġejna. Sakkar. Takxi.
Vape break, bro.
Bro, jimma nivvejpjax. La nivvejpja u laqqas imbejjeb. Ej. Għanna l-idej l-ħamra rġajna. Ġibu li di fija t-torċ ukoll. Għajet namlu progress, xaġa interessanti x'niġbru għawġu.
I think he was referring to himself.
Le, għalija kien qed jgħid. X'an kien darba l-oħra saqsini, u kien hawn ċifna oħra.
The subject scrambles for an advantage. They appear lost in disorientation.
Sparalek jien.
Breathing is indicative of fear, and rightly so. Let's test the response to said fear when pushed into action.
لا تنقلها خلوني كده.
I've seen enough. Thank you. You may proceed.
Grazie, da. All right. Mexxielna. Proceed where? Dej l-ħamra kienet ħadet jelna Mommy Long Legs, jek tiftakru. Enter code. Cell. 3255. Kemm aħna tajbin xbin. Ftaħna l-misfel. Level 500 IQ. Ġejni l-marita. Uħra. Sejdi. Xie. Għadna naħseb l-hour of joy.
I can hear it. They've staged quite the rebellion. Remarkable. 1006.
How could this happen? There's fail-safes, security measures. It's impossible.
Personal agendas have long been the downfall of this company. Is it unreasonable to believe they were conspirators? Playtime is filled with vipers and backstabbers.
But without executive access, how could anyone even get through? Laith, Stella, Eddie, only the four of us have that kind of clearance.
Does any of that matter now? It's your life we have to protect. You have executive access.
For all the good it does me, opening a door at a time won't get me to the exit. Not with those things everywhere. You didn't see what I saw. You didn't see the trail of limbs down the hall. Didn't hear the things eating. The wet crunches of bones. God.
There is something you can do, Warden. I can help you.
How? You're stuck in there. You can't...
My body's here. Sure. But my mind...
What?
The Omni Hand. If you give it to me, I can get you anywhere. I'll have control over everything. I can shut some doors, open others. I can make you a pathway that leads right to the exit.
I don't know.
If you want to wait to get torn to pieces, that's your prerogative. But we'll get you immediate options, Warden. What choice other than this gets you out of here alive?
I'm giving you the tool. Just get me out of here. Please.
Of course. You've made a smart decision, Warden. I promise I'll get you out of here safe and sound.
Ma naħsibx jien. Naħseb festa għamlu bih. Aktar moniti, ok. nistanna dak jinfetaħ jien. Grazie da, non leggo. Kumxu għed minnom.
Don't fight. Fighting only does it more quicker.
Alright, well, dan qed jirrelease your red smoke. Tista' tinżel. Alright, fejn qed immorru. Issa għandi bżonnu l-fake break. Għanna kodi għor. Cage 3642. I don't care. I'm national holiday. Il-bentijiet m'għandix esperjenza tajba magħhom ġo din il-logħba. Zom, għadna puzzle. Malek, nużaw din, tinżel dik. Interessanti. Zom. Għadni ideja. Ssja kemm jien intelligenti. L-intelligenza mhux ta' bxejtu ġanni rasi jien kuljum. X'inhu d-decontamination ta' Resident Evil?
IQ of a pigeon.
Grazzi.
Love you.
Kajen.
You know, I never thought I'd see another like you. A human. Certainly not an employee like you. But something makes you different. I can tell that much. Though I can't say what exactly that something is. Not yet. The others you faced, 1170, 1188, 1222. Been there, done that. Let's try our hand at something a little different. Oh, Yarnaby.
Yarnaby minnu. Okay. Skoprejna minnu Yarnaby.
Please, do keep making this enjoyable for me. I'll be taking notes.
Lossja batteries. Mela. Zom, oh blue. Detection from Yarnaby. L-iktar ħaġa li nobot fil-lob. L-istelt. So, għal uħna l-bib. La, ma nistabx. Naħna. ċamret fil-torċ. Fejn il-qattus. Kif sa naħroġ minha? Hello. Tatx kaseta. Nasib għandna xi alaj. Jistgħix li se jidħol fil-ventijiet. Fiex barna kasett?
Pull the cables.
Sta tgħidli x'kien għaddik? X'għandna Claudia, right?
Are those cats 6 or 7?
Għax ngħidlek. Okay. Meow. Eġri. Ma jistax jitħolaw ġew. Ara Pianosaurus.
Hello! I'm Pianosaurus.
Oh, dal-karattru wieħed mir-raġunijiet tal-fejn xtaqt nilagħba dik.
I used to be in a band, then the asteroid hit. Wanna hear a little song that I've made just for you? It goes a little something like this.
Ejja nismaw. Rovinata moment. You get the gist. Naqsek. Green tape. Nsibu l-green tape, but naraw xem wara dak il-bib iktar tard. nħoss nisni tifel fil-99 nerġa'. Dal-kazezz.
So, Ms. Graber, have you considered what we talked about?
Yes, Mr. Pierre. I won't lie. I was at a loss for words at first. The information hit me pretty hard. I felt so badly. I still do. For the ones that go through the
TGIF
testing.
You really care about them?
Yes. It hurts to see them hurt. I don't think there's any way around that feeling. But I did some soul searching and got to thinking about the bigger picture, about what your researchers wrote.
And?
Well, the work itself, what you've all been able to do, I mean, it's nothing short of a miracle. I know you have more goals to hit, but even as is, just, wow. Do they know when it'll be fully ready?
We're still working out the timeline.
I see.
You know, the project lead, Dr. Sawyer, wasn't sure about giving you that information in the first place. He thinks your affection towards those kids could be a liability. What do you think about that?
I took this job because I wanted to help change kids' lives for the better. Of course, these procedures are far from ideal. I cried like a baby when I read them. But I started looking past the here and now. Started looking down the road a bit. And that's when it clicked. What your researchers can do down here will someday help a lot of people out there. Including so many kids. That's a bigger and better change than I could ever have hoped to make. That's a change I want to help make.
I knew you'd understand.
Stella Graber għal ma jafx kienet il-head of mux head of Playcare. Kienet tuħosib il-game station. Jodi kienet kisimis. Le, di kienet Mami Longlegs li tuħosib il-game station, ux. Stella Graber nasib kienet head of Playcare. Niftakar sew. Safa la fuq li t-gerger buġiħ ta' zaqqaw. Jem piano soħru sem.
Sorry, I farted.
Grazie, għal-artisti. Nistaw nasu l-piano soħru sew. Friendly jew le?
Now that hit the spot. I haven't eaten in weeks. Hiya there, pal. Don't worry, I won't eat you. I'm doughy. I was told to expect.
Isma, dik il-xena rovinat li l-high hopes kollha ta' jarna bi.
Back to you. This way. Follow me.
Mux ta' jarna bi ta' Pianosaurus. Fejmar.
Interrogation rooms. They question us here after watching us. Those of us who can speak. I always answered. But I never gave them an answer they liked.
Mentana jidher da. Nagħti gold. Hey. Hey, oh. Hey, l-isfar. Oh no.
Got another one over here.
Jeez. Hard to imagine how the company will duck all this under the rug.
Not our problem.
3 here. How many is that now?
58. So far.
Another one over here.
59.
Where's that investigator? Campbell, Lockhart? Whatever his name is.
Poking around somewhere? Don't know. You ask me? The culprit's obvious. Just needs to be spelled out plain and clear for the bigwigs.
Da kien hemm ARG fuq u kien hemm video fuq ukoll din. Naħseb qed jitkellmu fuq l-accident li ġara fit-theater fejn xi ħadd, mhux se nsemmi għax marġin fot tiegħu, però xi ħadd telaq lil Boxibu u qatel f'xi 60 ruħ. Naħseb l-istess ħaġa xi ħadd semma theater.
You think?
Yeah. Rotten eggs come from rotten chickens, you know? Can't get more rotten a chicken than him.
I don't know. Just seems too careless that a guy so smart wouldn't cover his ass. I mean, if the investigator finds evidence of this, it's his fault.
Hope Foxy's still hungry.
Got another.
60.
Right. And are we just stopping the experiments back where they came from? Acting like all this didn't happen?
All over the ice. Because I guarantee it won't be so easy to toss a new coat of paint over 60 visitors dead. Or the dozen reconstruction specialists who went swimming in the bellies of those things.
I'm sure that's taken care of already. But I hear there's plans. Something big. Somewhere to put them. With any luck, that means stuff like this, and people like him, will be a thing of the past.
There's more over here.
X'aktarx diki. So eventually mal-gameplay tinduna għal minn kont qed nirreferi. Fejn, oh no.
There's some nasty falls in this place, but I can get you across. Oh yes, definitely.
Nafx għalfejn leħnu jistama jisu xi karatut minn The Exorcist. Mux data fana. Okay. Lej ma ħattix. spiċċa nistgħu nħaffu naħseb. Sorry.
There's some nasty balls in this place, but I can get you across. Oh yes.
Bless you.
Thank you.
So, have you seen Poppy anywhere? Ollie said she was around. Also said we can trust you. I
Illallah.
Interrogation rooms. Question us here. There's some nasty balls in this place, but I can get you across. Oh yes, definitely. So, have you seen Poppy anywhere? Ollie said she was around. Also said we can trust you. There's a safe place up ahead. It's not too far from here. Right. You can't fit through here.
Check.
Hey, pal. Let's see if we can't get these doors open. You check out there. I'll look back here. Is that you in there? Find anything yet?
No. Blue, green, yellow, red. Forse dun jihdu n-numri ta' fuqhom. Blue x'numru għandna? 3. Zom, dawn huma 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, meta 33. Mela x'kuluri għalli għannaw. Mela blue, green, yellow, red. Blue, green, yellow, red. Mela 3, 0, 2, 1, forsi? Prova. Samela. Okay.
Can this help?
ايوه قولي. اوكي ما لازم. اي هذا سهبنا غيره.
Over here.
Catch up with the way. Dawiet nistgħu xi pupazz magħmulin minn Playtime. Dawi, Play-Doh. Żmien hekk ngħidulu plasticine.
Our generator's in a pretty bad state, so we try to keep the power off in here. I'll turn it on for you, though. It'll open a door downstairs. Here! Use this.
ليش يعني دي؟ bug. نبدأ نسيبه شيء. اوكي. أنا نسيبه اثنين. Okay. 7 over. ونهرب. اي 102 دقة. أنا مرة وهلو جبين. كنت نستنى عليه. كيف انتم كلها طيب؟ مش ħanedilkom ħafna ħin il-video. L-ewwel nett xtaqt nirringrazzjakom tas-support għax li tal-fatt li taraw il-videos u tagħmlu lil likes li jgħinna ħafna għax hawn nuqqas kbir ta' kontenut bil-Malti. It-tieni nett jekk jogħġobkom dan it-tip ta' kontenut, għamlu li follow fuq TikTok, subscribe fuq YouTube u jekk tridu tistgħu titlu wkoll fis-server ta' Discord Hemmhekk ikun hemm kontenut, tistgħu tibnu game suggestions u hemm anki general chat fejn tistgħu tibagħtu u nkun qed nirrispondikom. X'imkien hawnhekk ħankun qed nikteb nikbilkom id-Discord biex tkunu tistgħu tfittxuh. Thank you, nerġa' nirringrazzjakom. Tistgħu tkomplu taraw il-video issa. Thank you. Xi ħażin. Raġel mi huwa xejn żgħar. Naqasna waħda. Darba ftakart.
Great shot from here, bud.
X'taħseb?
Guess I'll see you inside.
Get to safe haven. Noħroġ fl-erga. Leave. No, ma forse non completamente.
Through the showers. We should be able to make it into the safe haven from there. When I say so, we go. Go!
Safe haven, oh.
Hurry! Close it!
What's going on? What's missing? Goodness. What happened?
We need to get her help. Now!
Poppy. Is that really right? Take her to one of the beds. I'll check the defenses. See if something's still outside.
Not just something. It's him. He's out there.
You brought him down about this later. For now, I'll make sure out there is where he stays.
Raw daw jidher li għandu ħafna fuq il-platti jew.
Reactivating the defenses. Over here. Get some rest, okay? I didn't know it had gotten this bad. I need to make this right. What I said on the elevator, it's true. The orphans weren't killed during the hour of joy. They were taken. They're below, in the labs. The prototype's home.
Iktar l-isfel.
They are alive, but sleeping. They're with him. And he knows we're here. So, if we're going to free them and stop the prototype, we need to plan for both at the same time. The red smoke you redirected from Playcare? It's an accelerant. All it needs is high pressure and a little spark, and it ignites. The plan is this. We'll fill the foundation with smoke and line it with old mining charges. Then once you, me, and Kissy have freed the orphans, our friends here will blow this place sky high. That's our revenge. For now, go to Doey. See what he needs. I'll be here.
Alright, għaliex għandek għajnejk ħomor imma. Il-ħad ħaxixa. Li kienet tbieħ bil-ħaxixa fuq, għalhekk għandha għajnejha ħomor. Xarru każa fik, għas tista' tafdakar minuta waħdek.
Hiya, pal! Got something I want to talk to you about. In here.
Alright, naħseb il-video ħan waqfu għawallu. Issa nkomplu ġurnata oħra. Nkomplu minnaw. Thanks for joining. Thanks you tal-likes, tal-gifts, ta' kollox. Napprezza ħafna, napprezza. Napprezza anke min jara l-videos fuq YouTube. Minajkom ma nibqax nagħmel kontenut kieku. Thank you l-mods ukoll taċ-ċett, jżommu ċ-ċett nadifa. U mingħajr tfal żgħar. Narakom darba oħra.